Is it ethical to make jewelry out of kidney stones? Why do you think so?
Well, of course it is. Why isn't it? I mean, people pee it out. It's organic. It's natural. Only way it should be, in my humble opinion. And we don't harm any animals as well. We only harm humans in the procedure of making the kidney stones.
It doesn't cause any harm, and thus it's like a good idea.
All valuable gems are obtained in a painful way.
If you can sell them and make money off them, I think it's ethical.
Well, if the owner gave consent, then yes. It's like with leather bags, with like human leather bags, you know. They exist.
Well, it creates a lot of specialized jobs helping the economy, so obviously it's great.
It definitely has some memories, so if someone wants to carry their long life companion, and well, why not? But I guess they don't give them back now, I think, so that's a shame.
If you could taste one chemical without any consequences, which one would you try?
Probably fluorine, because it's really reactive and it will be interesting. What is the taste of it?
Tried all of them already.
How are you still alive?
Good question.
Probably uranium.
Why?
It has many calories and I am bulking currently.
It would be tributylithium.
Why?
It is very cool chemical. It just burns in the presence of air. It will damage everything, the protein and everything. It's interesting to taste it, with no consequences.
Lead chloride.
Why?
I think it's sweet.
Led to acetate.
Why?
Because it's sweet, apparently.
Have you unlocked the achievement of touching grass in every Baltic state?
I have, yes. Although not with my hands, I suppose. Only with my shoes.
Not even in one country.
I don't touch grass.
Yes, purely because of the Baltic Chemistry Olympiad.
Silt, sand, or clay, what's your soil of the day?
I hate sand. It's coarse and rough and irritating, and it gets everywhere, so I'll go with clay.
Sand.
Silk.
Why?
Clay.
Sand.
All three of them.
Clay.
I like clay very much.
Sand.
Clay. Silt.
Clay.
Silt.
Silt.
Clay.
Will society accept you if you were turned into a worm?
Yeah.
No, society does not accept me as a chemist. Why would it accept me as a worm?
You don't need society's acceptance if you're a worm. You're free now.
I think I will be used as a fish bait.
Well, they will. And if they won't, then I'll become their worm overlord and make them accept me.
They will, and I'll become world's first worm painter.
Society already doesn't accept me.
That's sad.
I mean, they are more useful than me, so I guess.
I mean, I think they would step on me in about a minute or two, so I guess that's no.
How long will it take to build a house made purely out of dirt?
Well, the wisdom from Minecraft says that you can do it in about a minute, so I think you could, yeah, I mean, no more than an hour in real life then.
Enough slaves, maybe like a couple of days.
I would probably not build it out of dirt, but if I needed to do it, then you will have to pay me.
What is the most lookable rock and why?
I mean, honestly, I don't know. I've never looked at a rock in my life. I'm not a geologist, but...
I don't believe in geology, so I don't lick rocks.
The one I saw outside, probably. Gonna do it later.
This one.
What rock is it?
I don't know, actually. I don't remember the name.
I would like Dwayne the Rock.
What is your favorite recipe for a dirt cake?
Just dirt, high temperature as well, in order to fuse it together. I suppose some additives, some toppings as well, like cheese, for example, in order to melt it all together.
You know, you have to begin with dirt, then you add a little bit of dirt, and then it's a little bit of dirt coating.
I like to add a bit of salt that adds flavor.
Like small pieces of limestone.
Dirt, base, leaf souffle, and sand sprinkles.
You also have to add a bit of uranium.
And maybe add some sand for garnishes.
Well, to quote my grandma's recipe, for the base you use some coarse sand from a beach, specifically white sand, mixed with a little bit of water so that it's just sticky, but then let it dry so it's a hard base for it. Then for the filling you use fine silt clay and mix it with a ton of water so that you get quite a mushy consistency, and then you bake it for a few hours until you make a beautiful dirt cake.
I think I should try this recipe.